Hey guys, welcome to But's Kitchen. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified about all our new videos. And today we'll be making Mango Mastani. Let's begin. Take 3 mangoes and peel their skin and cut them into small pieces. Add half of the cut mangoes into the blender and keep half of them for later. Now add vanilla or mango ice cream. Add 2 cups of milk. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now blend it to get mango milkshake. Now, in a cup, add the cut mango pieces along with dry fruits such as pistas, almonds and cashews, preferably powdered or in pieces. Now add the mango ice cream. If you don't have mango ice cream, butterscotch or even vanilla will work. Now pour the milkshake. If you have more space left in your cup, you can add the toppings all over again. The same mango cut pieces and the ice cream. After you're done adding whatever you like, adding more amounts of cut pieces of mangoes, ice creams, whatever, you can start topping it up with cherries, whipped cream, more dry fruits, whatever you like. Your Mango Mastani is ready. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment on how your Mango Mastani turned out. Until the next video, keep cooking, keep eating, and keep watching But's Kitchen, and we'll see you in the next one.